Hello viewers, you are welcome to my news channel, Matters That Matter. Today we have a trending news to share with you, but before we proceed, kindly promote the channel by hitting on the red subscribe button below the video, and please don't forget to hit on the bell button so you can be notified when we have a new upload on this channel. Thank you. Okay, let's quickly look at the story we have to share today. Okay, the headline of the story here says, why PDP asks appeal court president to leave the Presidential Election Tribunal poll. While APC asks appeal court president to leave Presidential Tribunal. Okay, let's look at the details of the story. The People's Democratic Party on Thursday asked the President of the Court of Appeal, Justice Zainab Bulkachuwa, to withdraw as a member of the five-man panel of the Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal. In a petition received in the Court of Appeal's Presidential Office in Abuja on Thursday, the party alleged that as the chairman of the five-man panel, Bulkachuwa will likely be biased in the handling of the tribunal's proceedings because of her ties to the family members belonging to the APC. The party, in the petition, which was signed by its national chairman Uche Secondus and its national secretary Umaru, specifically said Bulkachuwa's husband Adamu Bulkachuwa contested and won the Bauchi North Senatorial District election on the platform of the APC during the February 23, 2019 poll. We are reasoning that, armed with this golden rule of justice and fair hearing, and given your direct intimacy through your dear husband with the APC, one of the parties in this election petition, your lordship would have exercised your constitutional right and powers guidedly, judiciously, and judicially by excluding yourself from the panel of this honorable court sitting over this particular petition, the party stated. The party also complained that Bulkachuwa could have, by a comment she made during the inaugural sitting of the tribunal on Wednesday, prejudged its petition challenging the outcome of the February 22, 2019 presidential poll. It stated that Bulkachuwa's claim in her speech to the effect that they would always be compliant no matter how an election was well conducted had rocked its confidence in the panel led by her. It stated furthermore, "My lord, in your address at the opening of the pre-hearing, you made some remarks that were both frightening and heartwarming. For instance, your opening paragraph, you said, elections are held in Nigeria every 4 years into elective positions. No matter how well the election is conducted, there are bound to be complaints. This remark rocked our confidence in a panel led by your lordship to determine our fate in an election, which could be one of the ones that were very well conducted in your lordship's opinion. The question then is, how can a petitioner convince your lordship otherwise over an election which, in your lordship's opinion, was very well conducted?" Okay, so guys, this is the main issue. This is the main case right now, and I want us to share together. Already the chairman of the panel had said already that the election was well conducted, according to her speech, that in all election there must be complaint. That simply means this election was well conducted according to her. And the big question here is, how can a petitioner convince her over an election which was well conducted? So guys, do you think there will be a possible way for a PDP to get this out of a tribunal? Do you think they can win with the way the chairman of the panel is presenting the case already? Do you think the PDP can win in the tribunal? And do you think the idea of them alleging that the chairman in that panel should be removed is a good one? And can that also work? considering the speech made by the chairman that the election, no matter how election is conducted, there must be a complaint, which simply means APC won the election, in my own view. Okay, let's look at the last one here. The PDP and its presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, and had jointly filed their petition before the tribunal to challenge the victory of President Muhammadu Buhari and his party, the APC, at the presidential poll, which held on February 23rd, 2019. So, guys, what do you have to think? What are your thoughts about this story? Kindly hit on the comment section and drop your thought about the story, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice time.